Despite the extreme heat, or thanks to the extreme heat, our tropical villages thrive, and it's time for a tour and harvest. Please join me at the allotment for this midsummer tour. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Warm welcome, Romulo here. It is midsummer, and it's time to harvest the fruits of our labor, specifically vegetables. Look, it's all bounty here. I've got here coming soon, upo or tabungaw. But today, I'm going to show you the first time ever, my first harvest of aubergine or talong or eggplant among the North American English speakers. Look, encouraging. I'm not even sure how many do I have here, but look. Let's harvest them while they're still young, or we can wait. I think for a week more for this. And there's another here. Look. I think the camera. I hope the camera catches it. So we've got 3 aubergine. What else do we have? Tomatoes here, but I don't know. Nothing, or not one has ripened. Has ripened, I should say. But here I've got more. Look, cherry tomatoes and yellow. We can collect this entire bunch. And there. Difficult to reach. Here. Another bunch. What else do we have? Oh, that's dangerous. Let's cut this off. These berries hurt me always. What else do we have here? We also have chilies, see? Chilies. Chilies. And chilies. We'll do that later. I think we've got enough. So, our vegetables, chilies, eggplants, and tomatoes. Our harvest. If you remember this chayote, it's really disappointing. It's not growing well. I just want to think it's just too hot. Even our potted chayote here, look, it's yellowing. I don't know. Yellowing and not growing. What a combination. But there's one promising. Here it is. This is the promising chayote. Healthy vines. Healthy vines. This is the one we expect to bear fruit this year. So it's well loved and well taken care of. Let's water it. Stop recording. End of the season almost for the flowers. But here, we've got beautiful dahlias. See, dahlias. Not much. We've got beans here. And there. But there's more there. And pumpkin. Look. That's where the pumpkin is. I forgot to mention about the corn. Very small ones, I think, due to the drought. Oh wait! This is about to be harvested. The birds have begun feasting on it. I'm going to protect that with, let's see. Well. We can harvest it. beans. And these are amaranths, just like quinoa. I didn't plant this here. They just subseeded beans and courgette. We'll be cooking this later. Ooh, yo, someone even ate it. Something, I think a rat or a mouse. I'll harvest this. But the best of all, Kangkong. Look, Kangkong. Now let's go to the greenhouse. Before we go there, I'd like to show you the grapes. Look. Until there, grapes galore. Welcome. Before we harvest further, I'd like to show you my very first saluyot, or Egyptian shoot, or Egyptian spinach. Look, we will be cooking dinding, I think next weekend. And this are lady fingers, or okra. Moringa here. Moringa or malunggay. Look at this. The alokbate, it's my replacement for saluyot before, but now I've got saluyot. I also have okras here, but I don't know, they're not thriving compared to this potted. What could be the reason? Now, here on the side are beans. Look, beans, which we are harvesting. Bean. We've got beans. There are more there above.
Yeah. Don't see them.
Beans here, beans.
Oh.
Beans. And if we move back further, I can show you the Ampalaya. Yeah. What else? Let's search for more Ampalayas.
Yeah.
Ampalaya? Yeah. Why did I did not see this. What else? Ampalaya. Here. This is another Ampalaya. More. This is another Ampalaya. Look, this is what we have. Yeah. So, thank you for joining me here this morning. For the first time ever, we did a morning tour of our garden. You've been watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden, and I hope you've been inspired to grow, harvest, cook, and share like what we're doing today. We'll go to the shed. We'll be cooking this bulanglang or pinatbet. So that will be on the next video. Thank you, and until next time.